Many people concerned over the artificial intelligence called AI would take over humans' life and will replace them. They believe that AI could destroy their life. This is not true at all, for the goodness of our beautiful world created by our faithful Creator, that AI will go wrong against human. The modern AI is carefully created to serve human, not to serve evil. Artificial intelligence and drone, which equipped with AI modern software, can be used to help humans for a variety of specific purposes. One of the greatest benefits that drone can be used to serve as security protection. Sam Daly wrote, "Artificial intelligence and drone are a match made in tech heaven." He wrote, pairing the real-time machine learning technology or AI with the exploratory ability of unmanned drones give the ground-level operators as human-like eye in the sky. He continued that drones play key problem-solving roles in a variety of sectors, including defense, agriculture, natural disaster relief, security, construction. With their ability to increase efficiency and improve safety, drones have become important tools for everyone from firefighters to farmers. Smart UAV are so popular, in fact, they are now used on more than 400,000 job sites worldwide. Until now, the drones are able to display what their camera captures. But more than that, they can perceive their surroundings, which enable them to map area, track objects, provide analytical feedback in the real time. In addition, drone with software platform DroneSense is a software attack with drone for public safety officials that take raw data captured by drone and turn it into actionable insight for the police, fire, and other emergency teams. Because of the artificial intelligence software with drone can now process what they can see and report back in real time. Military use them in war zones and emergency response teams, such as firefighters battling in the forest fires, use them in the containment recovery effort. Drone can fly over the forest, mountain, quarries, farm to assess damage from natural disaster and climates and then report back using the analytic platform. CLAI drone assists the ground force and first responders in exploration and data gathering, equipped with proprietary HiMind software. The company UAVs can communicate with each other so quickly to quickly discover the surrounding and identify individual in an emergency situation. The CLAI HiMind Nova drone assists law enforcement, military personnel, and recognition mission. The drone can assess GPS-denied areas such as building, intro, underground facilities to gather ground-level intelligence. Analytics make AI and machine learning enable drone for greenhouse management that can fly around greenhouse and collect data on temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide level to ensure that the plants are growing in an optimal ecosystem. In addition to ecosystem measurement, the analytic AI drone can analyze the soil and crop health to ensure Let the plants are disease-free and unhindered in their growth. Evidence have shown that AI drones make tremendous, undeniable benefit for humans. As you know, the AI drone mentioned above really proved that AI is very necessary to be human assistant. To learn more about AI such as drone, feel free to go to the website